From knowing the causes of gynecomastia to exploring the treatment part of it, in this video I'm going to tell you all about gynecomastia. Hi, I'm Dr. Ekta Mishra. I'm consultant cosmetic and plastic surgeon at GBL Hospital, Indore. So first of all, what is gynecomastia? The term itself is self-explanatory. Gyno means female-like and mastia means breast. That is a condition in male in which the breast is female-like. That means there is increase in the size of the breast in males. So whenever a patient comes to me with this condition, he is very much curious about the causes of gynecomastia. What is the cause of gynecomastia and for which he has to come to consult a doctor? So first of all, we should understand that gynecomastia is mainly because of hormonal imbalance between female hormones and male hormones. There is an increase in the ratio of female hormone to male hormones which causes this problem. It could be physiological and it could also be pathological. In physiological forms, it appears in neonates at the time of puberty and in older men. Most of the physiological form, it goes away in 3 to 4 years, but sometimes it may persist also. Other causes of gynecomastia could be drug-induced. It could be due in certain kind of testicular tumors. It could be due to liver disease or obesity, and there are many other causes too. So most of the time when the patient comes to us, the young males, they are a little embarrassed when they have to take out their clothes in public, like when they go for swimming or when they are going to work out in the gym, or you can say they are sometimes being mocked after by their peers. So they want a proper solution for this treatment. Whenever a patient comes to me for this kind of problem, I usually evaluate them thoroughly. Along with the blood investigations, we also go for hormonal assays and we discuss it with our endocrinologist. If at all, sometimes in very few cases, medicines can be given by endocrinologist, and in that case, that could be a solution. But in most of the cases, surgery is the mainstay for this problem. So what kind of surgery do we do in case of gynecomastia? It's basically a combined approach. That means we go for liposuction of the breast fat, as well as we try to remove the breast glands also. The surgery is usually done under general anesthesia, and it's a day care procedure. You can come for the procedure, get the surgery done, and you can be discharged the very same evening. So it takes about 1.5 to 2 hours, and the scars which we give you during this surgery is very minimal, so you need not worry about the scars. Nobody can tell you that they've gone any kind of procedure for this. Post-op recovery time is also very minimal in this type of procedure. Right after the procedure, we usually give you a pressure garment to wear, which you have to wear for 4 to 6 weeks. Post-operative period is also very short. You can resume your daily activities within 1 to 2 days after the surgery. But yes, for heavy exercises, I usually recommend to wait for 4 to 6 weeks. The scars that are given to you is also very minimal, so don't worry about it at all. And I think I've told you many things about gynecomastia, but in case you have any query regarding this procedure, you can contact our team. Thank you.